Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and when you're working hard in the kitchen, you really need a good set of towels that are going to help you keep your kitchen clean.
I really have appreciated the quality of these kitchen towels and dishcloths by Vnoss. The kitchen towels are 26 by 18 and they are just so well made. Look at how close the fibers are together. It does such a great job picking up all of that water. The dishcloth is 12 by 12 and again has that same close knit fibers that are going to help you get a good clean. Now you have 12, 6 of each, so I have a lot extra. And it does such a great job getting into hard to reach places, giving it a good clean, protecting myself from any blades, getting into hard to reach areas, and just giving it overall clean to my dishes and my other surfaces. I'm able to go around my kitchen and clean the cabinets, the counters, the handles on the fridge, and when the dishcloth is combined with the towel, it helps me declutter my kitchen. Look how shiny my fork is, no watermarks. It gets all of those little tiny places. I was given this French press as a gift, and usually it has so many water spots, but look at this now. It looks brand new. And then after all the work is done, to clean my sink, to clean the walls, and it just gives me an overall wonderful clean to make my kitchen sparkle.
The set is so simple, but so effective. I really appreciated how easy it made making sure everything was clean and dry. And that's my point of view.